This is a video showing how to find a leak using a propane bottle. This bottle has a adapter on top that allows us to open the propane. Has a valve on top that we can open, and the other end we can run the hose around the suspected vacuum leak on the engine. So this particular truck, we can hear the hissing noise. You can hear that. And we're going to go ahead and introduce propane around the area here, and we'll listen for the engine RPM to fall out and go down when we introduce propane. We step on the button. Okay, you hear the RPM drop. So what's happening there is we have a vacuum leak, and we're actually drawing the propane into this manifold, which causes a risk condition which affects the engine RPM. So in this particular vehicle, you can see someone has been into this report injection here, and they've siliconed it, and they haven't got it sealed correctly, and we have a vacuum leak in the engine manifold. And that is how you determine a leak on a